Fucking storm is coming. See that shit? Look at that front. Lightning. Dark as fuck. Pretty cool, huh? I've ever paid attention now. Look at us, y'all. It's like no visibility. I can't see nothing. It's like no visibility. Look at that. Here's like a quarter of a mile, not even. Look at that. Can't see shit. 5 o'clock at night. Wow.